Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the voicemail not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search voicemail. Voicemail, click on Storage, click on Clear Cache and click on Clear Data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to App Library and click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. Click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Click on Reset and click on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Enter your phone PIN, click on Continue. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the voicemail not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.